Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Susie and I do videos about my day-to-day life, including journaling, food, ice skating and various other things. I am going to do a pretty short video for you today. I wanted to show you some of these stickers I have in my Etsy shop. This video is pretty late. I should have done this last month, but it didn't happen that way. I'm going to show you my August stickers, so you still have plenty of time to get these before August. This is for journaling, so the journaling part of my channel is where I use my stickers that I make. They are all up in my Etsy shop. I will link down below. My shop is already linked there, but I will add in specific links for these kits. So the first one we have is the August monthly spread. I say monthly as in monthly planner, and then it's the monthly spread in that planner. Then we've got the August budget. It's all purple I did for August. The weekly check-in. The transaction log. This is the order I use them in. We've got sinking funds, which I use with the transaction log together. I use the budget and the check-in together. And then I have the debt tracker and spending tracker as well. Then we also have some washi. So this is the wide washi number 1. This is the wide washi number 2, and then we've got the number 3. I went with kind of like Aztec-y, psychedelic-y type patterns, or that's how they came across to me. It's quite a striking, bold kit this month. Then we have the thin washi of the same pattern. There are actually 6 strips on here. You probably can't see it, but there are 6 thinner ones. And the same in the other 2 patterns as well. So that is the monthly planner kits for the financial planning, budgeting. And then I have the daily duo stickers. So we've got the monthly spread for that one. Obviously it's a lot smaller. This is for the daily duo monthly view. Then I have the weekly day headers as well, with the dates on the side there. I did actually peel number 1 off, which is why it looks like it's coming off, because it is. I made a mistake and tried to use that way too early. And then I've got the decorative boxes here to match. Then you've got the decorative washi. Again, I used 1 strip of that. I made a mistake, but yeah, there are 4 strips of each pattern. There's 5 different patterns on there. Then we've got the hourly time labels, then the half hourly boxes as well. Then we've got the hourly event labels, they match. And then the half hourly, so they correspond with the colour. I have made these stickers so that you can use them either in the daily view or the monthly view. They work both for width and length. And we've got the flags, which are the purple theme. These also both work in the daily view and the monthly view as well. And then I've got some individual tick boxes there and some rows of the check boxes or tick boxes. So yeah, those are the August kits. I hope you like them. I am currently still on my July kit, so I look forward to using these next month. But yeah, I just thought I would share them with you guys. And now that that is done, I'm going to wish you a wonderful rest of your day. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you next time.